Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color is found in the particular fruit, goes by the same name, having a shade of orange. This color is produced by combining red and yellow, resulting in a bright, warm orange hue. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Tangerine, tan, ju, reen, tangerine. Tangerine is crucial in the context of fashion, interior design, and branding, helping designers and marketers to create vibrant, energetic, and eye-catching palettes. It's a color often associated with energy, enthusiasm, and warmth. If you enjoyed learning about tangerine, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.